Here's a quick video to give you an overview of how to get Bash started. So I've got it right here, but if you don't see it, of course, in Windows 10 you can type Git, and you want to start Git Bash, not Git GUI, but Git Bash. That should place you in your home directory. If you do a pwd, that shows you the actual directory that you're in. Should be under your users directory, and you can also see that up there. So first thing we want to do is make a directory. So we're going to do mkdir, make dir, and we're going to name it dev. We hit enter, and you should see nothing after that. Once you do that, you can change into the directory, but if you want to list the directories, you can say ls-al, press enter, and you should see a dev directory right here. Dev ones are highlighted in blue and start with a D at the beginning there. So we're going to change directory into dev, and that's how easy that is. Of course, there's nothing in here. This is the directory we want to work on as we begin. There's one more thing. If you want to put Git Bash, if you want to pin it to your taskbar, do not do it from here, because if you do, what will happen is if you go to start it, let's close it, click it, notice it starts out in root, and we don't want root. Root is a totally different place, so don't pin it from in that way. If you want to pin it, go back to here, find it over here, and say more, and pin it. That will make it so it starts actually in your user directory. Again, pwd, and then you should be able to see your everything from here. If you do an lsal and you pipe it through grep, and this is a little advanced, do upper caret and then that, you can see just the directory names that are in there. So see, this is a list of all the directories, but that's kind of advanced. So you can change directory to dev, and that's where we want to work from. That's where you always want to be. Again, pwd, and you see that it's C users, your username, and dev. That's the location we want to start creating projects in.